Hello again, people. This video is going to be about deleting, changing, yanking or copying, pasting and replacing text in Helix. So basic text manipulation, basically. And the first thing here is you can delete what's under your cursor or your selection by hitting D. So if I just select this word here, I can hit D and I will delete it. But what's important to know here is that if you delete something in Helix, it's basically the same as also cutting it. So cutting and deleting is the same thing because I can just paste what I just deleted here again. And that's the next thing. You can paste things in Helix with P. So if I press P here, I will be able to paste what I just deleted. And I can paste it over and over again if I want to. And yes, you can see this will paste before the cursor or before my selection. But if I want to paste after my cursor or after my selection, I can press Shift P. And that will paste after my cursor or selection. If you want to copy something, you can just hit Y for yank, basically. And if you yank this here, if I yank this here, I can just paste it again, as you can see. One thing to note here is that this copying and pasting only happens within Helix. If you want to interact with another program on your computer, for example, by interacting with your system clipboard, you have to use space Y and space P to do that. And that will let you interact with your system clipboard. So another thing here is replace. You can replace what's under your cursor or your selection with R. And then a character. For example, if I do RA here, I will replace this R here with an A. And if I select this whole word and then press RR, then I will replace my selection with whatever I type there. What you can also do is you can use Shift R to replace your selection with previously yanked text. So if I just type Shift R here, I will replace what I selected with this word here that I previously yanked, remember? So that's pretty handy as well. Oh, and before I forget, there's also the change command, and you can use that one with C. So if I select this word here and then press C, I will basically delete that word and then directly go into insert mode. So you're basically doing both deletion and going into insert mode at the same time if you do C. And then I can just type something here. Okay guys, that's the basics of text manipulation in Helix. See you in the next video. Bye.